Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys the best wallpaper application that you can use for your Galaxy S10 devices. This will work on your home screen or your lock screen of your S10e, S10 or S10 Plus. Specifically, these wallpapers are designed to not only utilize and actually incorporate the camera punch hole on the display into the wallpaper, so it almost makes it as if it's disappeared or it just doesn't stand out anymore. This is TK. Let's check it out. Like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified whenever we push out any new videos specifically covering contents for the S10 devices or any other flagship on the market. Now I have another video showcasing how I was able to do this one with the Ultra Instinct Goku, but the video or the application that we're going to cover today, it'll actually talk specifically to this one. It's called Hidey Hole. Let's go ahead and click it one more time and I'll go ahead and unlock my device. And so you can see right there, here's the first wallpaper. I'll go ahead and unlock the S10. Here's the second wallpaper and here's the S10 Plus. Let's go ahead, and here's the third wallpaper. Now, one of the things that you'll notice right there, of course, is that the actual punch hole camera is incorporated into the graphic. So right now it's using basically here the eye for Jiren. In the actual lock screen itself, if you lock in, you'll notice that it's actually sitting at the top part and you're not even really noticing it as much. Of course, we unlock our device and it's sitting there. On the S10, it's directly within Lord Beerus's, I guess this is his attack. And it's basically built in directly, so you can still see it, but for the most part, because of the aesthetics, it doesn't really stand out as much. And of course, one of my favorite ones here, of course, is Miles Morales. And of course, you can see here with the actual logo, well, the actual cutout here is basically highlighted in red, and he's basically doing that backwards jump down towards the city. Now, the application I'm talking to you guys today is called Hidey Hole. It's not creative on the name, but for the most part, it does that. It hides the hole. So once you have the application turned on, the main thing you want to do is select the device. So for me, I'm going to select the S10 Plus on this one. I'm going to select, go ahead device, we'll go with the S10. The main difference, of course, is the different style of wallpapers, different designs, different unique things. So you'll notice right there, we have a Superman flying in, we have an Iron Man. We have another Spider-Man that's flying right there with a different one. And when you turn it on, you're able to edit. You can change the format in case it doesn't actually match it correctly. You can download it, save it. You can change the actual, basically the color, the brightness of the color, as well as the color, the brightness or balance, I'm assuming here, and then the saturation. And then you can save it directly to your lock screen or your home screen. I'm going to go ahead and hit home, and you can see it right there. It added it, and it just runs, and it looks so nice. Now, again, this is optimized to work with the S10 Plus. Let's scroll down here. Let's find another one. We have some other nice ones that are just incorporated in here. So this one is just, obviously from up. You can see it right there. Let's go ahead and scroll back and see any other ones. This is the Lord Beerus one that I was showing you guys. There's of course other one, Mario, more Spider-Mans. I'm really enjoying these guys. And there's a lot of other wallpapers that are just literally optimized. Even SpongeBob if you want to go that far. And then of course we'll go down here. There's a Reddit one, which is interesting. Spider-Man, more. There's Link, and then there's the Jiren one that I was showing you guys before. There's definitely a lot more, and of course Deadpool if you'd like to use it, and it's actually sitting directly within the gun. It's very nice. You can set the actual options, say download, say allow, and then of course we're gonna say it's there, and then we'll go back, and then I guess at this point I'll save it, home, and it'll take me directly into the home application, and it's saved. All of these things are very nice. The application is free and it is available on the Google Play Store. I'll give you guys a link in the description below. So the other thing I want to mention to you guys is you have the ability of sorting them directly by either new or popular. You can go in directly in the device, select the one that you'd like if it doesn't automatically select it correctly. And of course, last but not least, you have the ability of using the ones that are optimized for your device. So the AMOLED dark, the abstract, anime, artwork, minimalistic, so we'll go into anime. And you can see right there, they're all in there, they're all ready to go, and they're already preset to work with our devices, and the camera punch hole is sitting on the right. So what I'm trying to say is it's already set and it's ready. You can customize it, save it to your device, or just directly apply it to your lock screen or your home screen and enjoy your device. And it just looks absolutely fantastic, and you can change them every day, every 5 minutes, whatever you want. You're definitely going to enjoy that. This is a must-have application for any Galaxy S10 device owner. One of the main benefits of this is not only does it actually incorporate the camera into the wallpaper, but these are high-quality wallpapers, and you actually get a lot of options you can choose from. You can download them, you can customize them, and then just apply them to the home screen or even the lock screen, depending to your preference. And you can have one on each one, so that's one of the main benefits. That lock screen wallpaper video that I showed you guys at the beginning with the Ultra Instinct, there'll be a link in the description below, of course, to check that out if you'd like to know how I was able to do that. But other than that, like and subscribe as usual. Share this with all your friends if you like this video. And if you know anybody that just picked up a Galaxy S10, make sure you refer them to this video because this is going to make their day. I'll see you guys in the next video.